Those wheels are bigger than me.
Yes.
That means they're 5'5". They're my height.
He's 5'4".
So they have to put.
The commute to work.
That would get you through the traffic, wouldn't it?
Look.
You could crush them.
You could kill someone with a normal sword. So
That
look at the
is
wheel
awesome.
they already have on it. That's bigger than a normal tire.
Right.
That already
Yeah.
is bigger than a normal tire. They're gonna put that on it though. Dang. I have a mess. I want to ride in that, just like sit in it. I would pay to sit in that.
Now look at that. The motor's in there backwards. See that?
Oh,
That's backwards of a regular motor. Because they set it in there for center of gravity, right?
Yeah, so they can jump.
Yeah,
All
see.
strict, but they don't flip over.
We bought an Atari for $5 and we got to see a monster truck.
Oh, look
Today
there.
is a good day.
Hey, look, you can see in. Look, look, look.
Oh,
It's the seat.
Oh, that's the pedal.
yeah, look, those are
Yeah.
the pedals.
There's not much. Hey, no passengers, right? See? No passengers. Okay, step back, guys. They're gonna
There's
lift
no
it up. Step
passenger
back.
seat.
There's no such thing as passengers. And then,
There's no passenger seat.
And there's the
look there.
other two.
Watch this.
The other two.
Come look inside.
The other two tires. See?
Other two tires.
Yeah, you got 4 tires.
Monster truck, so I was like, woo.
You gotta have 4 tires. Look at this.
No, imagine two more monster trucks.
Watch what they're
Where'd
doing.
they buy it? Where'd they buy it?
No, they built it.
Wait,
Look at this.
where'd they buy this?
Didn't buy
Where'd
it.
they get it at?
You build it.
They built it?
Yeah, they built it.
I'd love to make my own
They
monster.
built it.
Look, they're gonna take
I have a question. Where'd you buy
Danny.
this monster truck?
Danny. Step back.
Move.
If they built this, Dad, me and you need to build one.
Now look, they take the little tire off.
Oh, look, Snow, they have fake headlights.
Yeah. It's all
Can we-
fiberglass.
Yeah,
Whole
can
bike,
we
because
make
you
our
need it to
own?
be light, because the whole truck is real heavy.
They're taking the big.
Dad, we need to make our own stuff like this. Snowy. Hey, Snowy, that'd be cool. You and me just have our own monster truck. Drive it around. Dad drives us to school in that. In a monster truck.
With 4 big wheels.
Bigger than Dad.
Whoa!
You could hula hoop in that thing.
Well, you wouldn't want to.
I
It
mean,
hurts.
yeah. But still, it's not all city.
Yeah. Isn't that cool?
Dad, they didn't build it. They bought it.
Crushing for Christ.
They bought it?
They bought it, but then
That's
they
pretty cool.
painted this.
Yeah, it's nice though. Look at that.
Can we like buy our own and paint it like our own? Make it really cool. Oh, so we're pitting dead. Look, it says we're pitting dead.
One of these tires being repaired is about $500.
Really?
500 bucks? Yep. That's wow. That's
So
expensive.
you guys bought this. Where do you buy a tire like that?
Well, no, it's fine.
Nice.
That's not good.
That's just too cool. Look at that. Look at this.
Okay, so you guys get to keep it or this? You guys get to keep it. Okay.
Jump.
Get in there, John.
Is there a way that you can get
Very top.
say something different?
You guys are gonna have to make sure you watch for the
Yeah.
cars.
Stay over here.
Mommy.
Stay this way.
Mom, they bought this. They bought this at Holy Rollers. They bought it from holyrollers.com.
It's his truck.
Cool.
We're
Oh my, oh no. I'll drive this to school.
Yeah, you'd crush everybody, wouldn't you?
Yeah.
I want my own.
Oh my.
I want to go in like this.
He's the driver, too. You don't see Dennis and together.
Yeah.
And driving the semi.
True.
And fixing it.
Yeah.
So, did you guys buy it online or
Built
what?
it.
He built it.
You built it.
Yeah. That's how he did it.
Awesome. Dad, can we build our own?
What do you want us to use?
We bought it and
Can we build our own? What's the piece that we can play later?
God bless you.
I want to say it's a 250.
Bless you. Bless you. Oh, I know. Oh, if they kept the two wheels, they kept the two little wheels and they kept the big wheels, it would be like a monster truck. The small wheels on the front. It looks like a race car monster.
Yeah.
A race monster.
Hey, stay right there. Stay in the cones.
Race truck. I would call it a race car.
Yeah,
How you been?
you know me. There's something with power. I'm around it. I've been good. How are you?
Good.